So, hi again. Today I'll be doing Tops Kick. So, as you can see, I'm on my profile. Yep, I've not really done anything. I've got 106 cards. So, I've got like Toby Alderweireld and stuff. Don't know why I said that, but yeah, I will be opening some cards now. 65,000 coins. I'll just check what cards, packs I could open. Try and open maybe once every 3 days. I'll just check if there's any packs out. I'll try and open some of these. I'm going to open the W2S contest pack. Philip Coutinho.
Super rare.
Michael Vorm. Nicholas Otamendi. So, yeah, I quite like that. It's an alright pack. Yeah, it's good. So, I'll try and open another one. Chris MD contest pack. It's not available. Hey, so we're going to try and open We've opened it. And we've got Stuart Downing, Raheem Sterling, Mark Albrighton, John Stones, Craig Dawson, Kyle Walker, Adam Smith, James Morrison, Matt Targett, Robert Snodgrass, Shiku Kuyate, I think, Oriel Romeu. Yeah. Not very good. But it was 10,000. Yep. I'm going to try and open this one now. Curtis Davies, Mkhitaryan, Crack, it's a weird name, Sean Maloney, Monreal. In case you didn't know, I support Arsenal. Probably already guessed that. So, we're going to try and open some more packs, maybe from the Champions League, see what they have now. We'll open this one, I think. Just opened it. Lucas Bros, Stephen Wangle, Matuidi, that's good. Otamendi, Leroy Sané, Thiago Silva, Kucherzak, Gareth Bale. Oh yes, we got Gareth Bale. Javier Martinez, Andre. Marek Hamsik, Thomas Muller. That is a good pack. So, that's really good. Now open, maybe another 3. So we've opened this one before.
Awesome.
Akradusik Knell, I think it is. Top rack. William Kvist. Lars Stindl.
Super rare.
Raphael Varane. I'm happy with that. See if there's any more packs. We might open a Bundesliga Bundesliga. I think it's a limited edition as well. We'll open this one. Jeffrey Gulalu. I don't know how to pronounce it. Daryl Avocado back. Thomas Muller again. Philip Kostic. Yeah, happy with that. I'll try the Bundesliga base pack. And then we'll open one more pack after this, and that'll be us. Matthias Lehmann. Marcel Tisserand. Javier Martinez again. Nabab. Marco Fabian. John Brooks. Joshua Max Christian. Honor Bullet. Jannik Vestergaard. Urjan Nyland. Admir Mehmedi? I don't know how to pronounce it. We'll open one more. Last pack. I'm not going to look, so I'm not open. Franco Di Sanski, Rafael Guerrero, Christoph Kramer, Pavel Kaderbark, Hale Altentop. And yeah, so that's me opened my packs for today. I think I'll try and get some free coins maybe. Alright. That's from watching videos. Nah, I'm not doing that. So, thanks for watching. Maybe, yeah, please. Wait, let's see the matches first. No games. We'll see my contests. Try and enter some contests. There's none possible. So, actually, W2S contest. I'm joining it. That's me joined the W2S contest pack. So I'm going to set my lineup. I'm going to play make me play Mkhitaryan, but I don't know. Let's check who I've got. Okay, so I'll play Mkhitaryan. I'll play Monreal. I'll play Albrighton. I'll play Coutinho. I'll play Otamendi. I'll play Sterling. Let's just check what other ones we've got. Who else will we play? Play Walker. I need to find another 3 players. I think I'll play Smith. I will play another 2. So we'll play Stones. Last one. Might go for Hull City. And play Maloney. So that's my lineup. Yeah. that's me setting my wine up. Yeah. Prizes. That's good. So I think you get 10 free packs every day. Let's see if I have them yet. Check cards. Oh, just got them cards. Oh, come on. So we'll go to store. See if we can buy any players. So we'll go for... Where's it? We'll try here. The W2S pack. Where was the W2S? Oh, come on. I think I might have already opened. Oh, come on. Anyway, that'll be this video finished, I think, today. I'll try and do, maybe just check card exchange. Trade? Nope. So I'm in the W2S contest. It starts on Friday, October the 21st, 7:15 PM. Yeah. You can download TopSkick. It's free on the App Store. Yeah, it's really good. You should download it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and yeah, comment. Thanks.